Hey everyone, welcome back to the Will It Burger Show. Today we are grinding up an entire KFC Zinger Box and turning it into a burger. So we got potato and gravy. Nice. Got some chippies. Got the wicked wings. Don't look too bad. And we got the burger. It's basically like a food review. Oh, the wrapper's inside out. Nice. That looks so sad. Bruh. Anyway, it's just... That looks so bad today. Thanks, KFC. Twist them and then like yank the bones out. I've seen people do it as well. Oh, I should have done this with gloves on. This is so greasy. The old vacuum cleaner. Woo. Sorry for the noise. Block your ears. Alright. Bit of chippies. Bit of chicken. Bit of potato and gravy. Alright, it's not coming out yet. Anyway, I'm loading up this top tray. I'm just going to pour everything into that, and then I'll use the jammer to jam it down. This is so fucked. I'm just going to dump that on top. Oh, baby. That's a meal. Alright, ready? Here we go, round two. Oh, I can feel it going. Oh yeah, that's not a good sound. It just like lowered a gear. Oh, it feels so wrong poking it through the hole. All right, that's all of it. Why did I do that? Well, if you ever wondered what a chewed up Zinger Box looked like, there you go. Oh, that's hefty. There's definitely a lot still in there. Oh, that smell over there was not... I mean, it smells like a Zinger Box. It smells good, but it also is making me gag. It looks like something I could get sick from. What do you mean? It's just KFC. No one's ever gotten sick from KFC, right? Surely. It smells good and bad at the same time. All right, I'm gonna try a little pellet. Tastes like chicken and bread. Oh, I see a little bit of lettuce in there. Some greens. It's healthy. It feels like Play-Doh. Feels like Play-Doh. That's what it feels like. Oh, look, there's a couple of greens. Healthy, everyone. How heavy is that? It's probably heavy enough. 120 grams, more or less. 140 grams. That's a pretty thick patty. The potato and gravy holding it together. We'll go 160. We'll just do one single patty. My God, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Look how greasy it is. I mean, what did I expect? It is KFC. There we go. Oh, she's chunky. That's a pretty thick patty. Grease. So you guys saw what it looked like before. So I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do shredded lettuce, mayo, and I'll probably put cheese on top as well. Alright, it's looking pretty good. I did squish the shit out of it though. Oh well, it looks like a KFC burger now. That's a pretty good sizzle. It smells like bread. Alright, it looks pretty good. Still just smells like bread. This is so gross. Oh fuck. How the fuck am I gonna pick this up? I didn't think this through. Needs a handle. Ow, fuck. Oh, fuck. Ah, it's so hot. Stop cooking. So, a normal Zinger burger. There's lettuce mayo on the bottom. Then the patty, and then that's it. They don't have cheese. Alright, we're going hella mayo, because this is gonna be dry. Oh, nearly dropped it again. What a disgusting monster. I really did fuck up this top bun pretty badly. Oh well. There it is. There's the KFC Zinger Burger. It's really hard to cut through. As you can see. By the fucking burger falling apart. My cutting skills is a dishonor to my family. It's a mess, but it's like this is what KFC serves you, right? You take back your comment about it looking good. That's not because of my chopping skills, right? Oh, it's really soft and squishy. Oh my god. It tastes like KFC chicken. It's just the outside has a nice crisp to it. The inside's still this disgusting mess. I mean, I might finish this. I might actually finish it. It's really not that bad. But this is going in the bin. Now that I stopped eating it, I don't want to start eating it again for some reason. You know those feels? Wait a minute. This is disgusting.